AI is reshaping every industry. India is on a mission to democratize access to AI, empower its youth, and prepare a workforce ready for the digital future. Under the IndiaAI Mission, 570+ data and AI labs will be established across Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. World-class compute and AI skilling will reach every corner of India, unlocking opportunity for youth everywhere, preparing them for the jobs of tomorrow. Students will train in future-ready courses on data annotation and data curation. Accredited by NCVAT and aligned with NSQF, these courses will lay the foundations of data economy. Today, the first 27 data and AI labs spread across the country, from Leh to Calicut, from Shillong to Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, are being launched. Gorakhpur, Lucknow, Haridwar, Kurukshetra, Bikaner, Ropar, Shimla, Srinagar, Jammu, Leh, Agartala, Aizawl, Dibrugarh, Guwahati, Imphal, Shillong, Itanagar, Kohima, Gangtok, Buxar, Muzaffarpur, Patna, Bhubaneswar, Ranchi, Tejpur, Calicut, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Here, students will not just learn, they will prepare for real jobs in the fast-growing data economy, gaining the skills to power industries, create innovations, and shape the world of tomorrow. The IndiaAI Data Labs will empower the future of a generation prepared to lead in the AI age.